Hello, Arrested here. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix any issues on your Google Drive app on iOS. So first what you want to check is that you have the newest version of your Google Drive. Go to the App Store, click the search bar, go to Google Drive, right here. We got our Google Drive, and you see I have the newest version. There shouldn't be any issues, but if you have the newest version and you have still issues, I show you the other way how to fix it. First way is just go to the settings, scroll down, go here, find your Drive app right there, and change every settings to the fabric settings like mine. So see, Siri settings, good. Search settings, good. Background app refresh on, and language doesn't matter. So if you do this and you still have issue, the last thing which you should do is go up here, take the Drive app, remove the app, uninstall, go to the App Store again, and just install just the reinstall of the app. If the video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Bye.